In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an opening balance in Zoho Books. Setting up your opening balance properly is essential for maintaining accurate financial records as you transition into using Zoho Books. This process might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Clicking on that icon will take you into a range of configuration options. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Organization. It's here that you can access opening balances. Opening balances is crucial because it allows you to input the financial data you're bringing into Zoho Books from your previous accounting systems. Next, you'll notice an Edit button in the top right corner of this section. Clicking Edit is your cue to start entering those balances. This action unlocks the fields where you can enter the financial data crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Choosing or entering the opening balance date is the following step. This date is typically either the start of your financial year or the date you're migrating to Zoho Books. It's critical to get this date right, as it determines the starting point for your records in Zoho Books, ensuring that historical data aligns perfectly with your new entries. Once you've entered your balance date, click on Continue. This action leads you to a verification step where you need to check that your debits and credits balance. It's all about ensuring that your accounts are in harmony from the get-go. If these figures don't balance, you'll need to revisit the entries and make the necessary corrections before moving forward. After you've confirmed that everything balances correctly, the next move is to click Confirm. This finalizes your entries, essentially locking in these crucial starting figures. Once confirmed, you've officially established your opening balances in Zoho Books. But there's one more step to make sure everything syncs perfectly. You may have transactions that occurred before your chosen balance date. With the Sync feature, Zoho Books helps ensure these transactions are aligned with the new data. Make use of the Sync function to catch any transactions that need to be incorporated into your records. It's a vital step in keeping your books precise and reconciled. And there you have it. You've successfully added your opening balance in Zoho Books. Taking these steps meticulously ensures that your financial data transitions smoothly into Zoho Books, setting a solid foundation for your accounting activities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more videos on our channel for additional tips on maximizing your use of Zoho Books.